Students, let us know about what is called the circle of illumination. And you know, on the earth, one axis is there, which is one just imaginary line, which is starting from one pole and is coming out at another pole. That is called the axis of the earth. And earth is making one rotation around its axis, that is called rotation, for which it takes 24 hours or 1 day. Again the earth is moving around the sun, for which it takes 365 days or 1 year. That is called revolution. Now look at this diagram of your earth. Whenever earth moves around the sun, it always remains in little bit tilted position. Look at this earth's picture. It remains in little bit tilted position, not in straight position like this. And this is your north pole and this is your south pole. And with the orbit or orbital plane, on the orbit on which it is moving around the sun, with the orbital plane it is making 66.5 degree angle, and from the straight axis it is little bit tilted position towards your right. And wherever the earth goes while revolving around the sun, it always remains in this tilted position, and always the axis remains tilted towards your right. Now look at this straight axis, how much degree it is tilted. That is 23.5 degree tilted. It is 23.5 degree tilted from its own axis. In this position it always revolves around the sun. So what happens? If someone will ask you how much degree it makes with the orbital plane, it makes 66.5 degree. How much degree tilted? It is tilted 23.5 degree. So what happens? The sun rays light always travels in a straight line. So when the sun rays fall, it just falls on half of the earth's surface, not in a tilted position. This is your south pole, this is your north pole, this is your equator or 0 degree. Okay, so when the sun rays fall, it just falls on half of the earth's surface. So that means this half now is getting light, or it is day here, and this half is the night. So this is not a straight line, this is actually a circle on earth's surface. Because your earth is circular, so it will be a circle on earth's surface. Just you see at this globe, if the this half will be lighted, so that means a circle will come out. So here also this is one circle which is separating the day from the night. That means it is the circle of brightness. It is the circle of brightness which is separating the earth from the dark half to the lighted half. So this circle is called the circle of illumination. Understood? This is called the circle of illumination, which separates the day from the night. And as your earth is rotating, so all the portions of the earth sometime will come to face the sun, and day will happen in one half, and another half, the opposite half, the night will happen. So this circle which is separating the day from night is called the circle of illumination. Understood all of you?